Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a pizza. Everyone's favorite. My few friends keep asking me for pizza recipe. So I'm sure they're gonna feel happy. So the first thing of making pizza is the dough, which is the base of the pizza. So I've got here plain flour and one packet of yeast, 200 gram flour, one packet of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt and you can use any one. 1 teaspoon of sugar and 25 gram cooking oil and 1 glass of water. So when you make a dough, don't put whole water in, just use little water, and if you need you can use more, and mix everything together. Just do the nice and easy. You don't have to make very hard, just soft. So my dough is ready here. I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour, and I'm covering this with cling film and leaving for 1 hour. So here is pizza base. So I already rolled it. First I'm using tomato puree. So next thing we're gonna put cheese. I'm already grating cheese. I'm adding chicken. Already I boiled it early on, and I use some spices. If you don't want to use spices or you don't like, you just boil the chicken with little salt. I'm adding some tomatoes and olives. Olives very good for health. Everyone should use this every day. And green pepper. Green pepper is so tasty in pizza. Otherwise, pizza has no taste without, green pepper or jalapeno. So I'm adding some more cheese. So here is my pizza is ready to going in oven, and oven is preheated. Leave gas mark on 7, and I'm leaving there for 20 minutes, but I'm keep checking. Now pizza is ready here. You can see, so lovely and fresh. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my beautiful people. Take care of yourself.